What's up, guys? Starting the week off strong with a $543 win. I could have made 1,300 ish around there, but I'll get into the reason why I didn't. Last week I made $748, I believe. I only traded one day of the week, which was Wednesday, I think. I think it was Wednesday. Yeah. I didn't really like the market conditions other than that day. So I just didn't trade and ended up working out pretty good for me. After today, my accounts are up to 51,370. So I only need 1,630 to pass my 3 funded accounts. But let's get into it. So off open today, and how I have been trading lately is I trade on Trade but I have TradingView open, and I usually leave Trade on the 5 minute and I leave TradingView on the 1 minute, just so I don't have to kind of like switch around. I also don't have to open this and like have 2 separate screens open. I probably am gonna start opening like a 15 minute on the right and a 1 minute on the left, so that way when I bounce around I can see all 3 of the charts. And just kind of have the view of the different timelines right in front of my face. I'm probably going to start doing that. But here is what happened. At open, we had pretty downward momentum here, and I marked out this blue line as an hourly low. Liquidity sweep right here, and we did end up sweeping it. I really expected to sweep this low as well, at least these lows, but that didn't happen. We did sweep these lows, I guess, so that's what ended up moving us up on the hourly candle. But you know, you can't deny the movement, so I took this as the liquidity sweep, and then this inverse here. I entered here. I didn't really want to draw into this fair value gap. I took a slightly higher risk than usual just because the entry was a little sloppy, so I just kind of like placed it below this. I didn't want it to draw into the halfway point of this fair value gap at all, and I didn't want to take a higher risk, so I just placed it here. But I wanted to give some room to breathe. And when it created this fair value gap here, I ended up moving to break even. I didn't take partials yet at this point. I ended up taking a partial here when it created its first low, and then, you know, kind of like chopped up, and then this candle started looking meh. So saw this as resistance. I took a little 30%, and I moved my stop loss to this right here. And the reason I did was because on the 1 minute we created this fair value gap, and I didn't really want it to draw into it at all. I want to just move that. I want to ride the momentum up. I want to take moves like this that I took, you know. I don't really want my position to be this up and this down and this up and this chop and blah blah blah. I want to get in and out of the market. That's just how I trade. Especially on eval with this, you know, distance to drawdown. I don't really want to risk making profits and then getting stopped at break even. It's not good for the account at all. Really would fuck me. So I ended up exiting here, and you can see this is, I guess you could say, a second entry you could take, is when it draws into this fair value gap, this equilibrium, and then it starts moving up. And I already had these levels marked out, this level and this level. I could totally see this level getting hit, and it could have got hit, and we could have made a lot more money today. I could have passed the eval today, but that's not how I like to think of things. We made money today, and we made it quickly in like less than 10 minutes, got in and out. So that's what it's all about. But yeah, that's about it. I am going to be trying to trade every single day this week. I am, you know, pretty strict with my entries for the most part, but I need to pass this evaluation before the month is over, and I'm pretty sure this is my third week, the beginning of the third week. This is the 11th trading day, and I'm up $1,370, which isn't the best, isn't the worst. I made probably 2 mistakes on this account, so considering that, it's not too bad, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.